Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the first half of the month of September 2023. September 1, 2023. Coaching classes for competitive examinations. Mr. Anand Bhupati, the Managing Director of ECC Academy, and Ms. Radhika, Senior Social Science Faculty of ECC Academy, guided nearly 200 students in their preparation to appear for TNPSC, SSC, Railways and Bank exams. In another orientation program, Mr. Chris Joe, the placement officer of the college, briefed nearly 170 students about global career opportunities. All arrangements were coordinated by the Placement and Career Guidance Cell of the college. Zero Shadow Day. On the same day, Mr. Muthuvel of the Tamil Nadu Astrophysics Club, Tirunelveli, introduced and involved the learners in witnessing and gaining experiential insights on Zero Shadow Day, an astronomical phenomenon. The learning session was coordinated by the Crossian Human Resource Development Center. Letter Writing Competition. The Department Post, Government of India organized a mass letter writing competition on the theme Digital India for a New India. Dr. J. M. Vinitha Charles, Dr. S. Tenmuli and Ms. Maria Prabina Sakaria coordinated the competition. September 2, 2023. District Level Chess Competition. Holy Cross College, in association with the Masters Chess Academy and the District Chess Association, organized a district level chess competition at the college premises. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, declared the competition open. The winning contestants in the junior and senior categories received cash prizes. The chess competition, in which 628 chess players participated, was coordinated by Dr. Christy Selen Mary and Dr. Leslie Fatima. September 5, 2023. Teachers' Day celebration. Teachers' Day celebration in our college began with Holy Mass. In a show of respect for their teachers, the students made elaborate arrangements for the celebration of Teachers' Day. The celebrations began with an invocation, and Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, Dr. Sister Lima Rose and Dr. P. Satya, the Vice Principal of the college, together with all the teachers, cut the cake. Soon after, the student council members of each department crowned the teachers as a show of love, which was followed by a gala of performances. At the close of the celebration, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, appreciated the students for their efforts to organize the celebration. September 6, 2023. Eye Donation Awareness Rally. The NSS unit of our college and Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital, Nagercoil, jointly organized an eye donation rally to mark National Eye Donation Awareness Week. Mr. Rajat Peaton, the sub-collector in training, and Mr. Navin Kumar, the deputy superintendent of police, flagged off the rally from Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital to the district collectorate. Dr. Cyril Jose and Dr. Aishwarya Devi of Agarwal's Eye Hospital spoke on the importance of eye donation. NSS volunteers and hospital staff participated in the rally. September 7, 2023. Crossian Scholars Forum. In a Crossian Scholars Forum held on September 7, 2023, Dr. Mary Matilda Bai, the Dean of Research, briefed the research scholars about the theme of the college for the academic year, that is, Outcome-Based Education, Industry 4.0 and Patents and Publishing. Stressing the need to maintain a work diary and adhere to monthly plans, the Dean urged all scholars to focus on effective time management and practice responsible work ethics so that productive research outcomes in the form of papers, patents, and scholarly publications will become a reality. Representatives from the Crossian Research Forum and the research scholars of the college were present at the meeting. September 8, 2023. Pedagogical Approaches for Effective Teaching. In an orientation program on pedagogical approaches for effective teaching, Dr. P. Satya, the Vice Principal and Assistant Professor of the college, shared her practical insights into the cutting-edge trends in learner-centric pedagogies and their effective implementation in classrooms. The program was coordinated by the members of CHRDC. September 9, 2023. Parents Teachers Association meeting. An awareness program on successful parenting today was organized for the parents of the students on September 9, 2023. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, welcomed the gathering. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, gave the presidential address, and Dr. Desi Bai presented the report of the Parent Teachers Association. The resource person, Dr. Father Lawrence Susenathan, the provincial of Queen Mary Province, Madurai, in his address, sensitized the parents about the need to understand the psychosocial and emotional needs of their adolescent children and offered tips on active parenting. Dr. Anbu Hanadora coordinated the meeting on behalf of the Parent Teachers Association. September 11, 2023. International Conference on the Role of Technology in the Growth of Tamil. An international conference on the role of technology in the growth of Tamil was held in the multipurpose hall of the college. Dr. Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, felicitated the gathering, and Dr. Anbu Hanadora gave a special address during the occasion. In the first technical session, Dr. Mahadevan, the head of the Department of Tamil at Sadak Abdullah Appa College, Tirunelveli, spoke on the dominance of natural language in Industry 4.0. In the second session, Dr. Sahar Ahmed, the overseas news reporter for Dinatanti from Dubai, virtually addressed the participants and spoke on the role of technology in the growth of Tamil newspapers. In the last session, Dr. Thangavel, an announcer of Kumari FM 101, spoke on the role of radio in promoting Tamil. The conference was convened by Dr. Justin Beulah, the head of the Department of Tamil, with the help of resourceful organizing committee members. September 13 to 14, 2023, Holy Cross Feast Celebration. The liturgical feast of Holy Cross Day, or Exaltation of the Holy Cross, is celebrated every year on September 14 to honor the cross on which Jesus Christ was crucified. On September 13, 2023, the management, staff and students together with the Sisters of the Cross celebrated the Holy Feast, which began with an invocation. Dr. Subha Ganapathy, an assistant professor of English, welcomed the gathering, and Dr. Mary Gilda, the Mother Superior and Secretary of the college, gave a special address. As part of the celebrations, an enthusiastic team of volunteers from among the teaching, non-teaching and student fraternities showcased meaningful performances that emphasize value-based living. A Eucharistic celebration was held on September 14, 2023 at the college chapel. After the Holy Mass, the Sisters of Holy Cross College community affectionately hosted a lunch for the management staff and retirees of the institution. Seminars on Industry 4.0. The Department of Commerce organized Dr. S. Tellabai's endowment lecture on sustainability and green practices in Industry 4.0. Dr. P. Madan Kumar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Shift 2, Loyola College, Chennai, was a resource person. The PG Research Department of Mathematics, in collaboration with IIC, organized similar seminar on the impact of Industry 4.0 on entrepreneurship. Mr. Arun Samuel, Technology Evangelist of IEL Technologies, Bangalore, was a resource person. The application of Industry 4.0 in the field of commerce and mathematics were discussed during the seminar. Cuban Quiz 2023, the 9th edition of the Cuban St. Xavier's Rolling Trophy, Science and Chemistry Quizzes, was held at St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kotte. Amidst probing rounds and questions, our students Miss Golfin Ashia and Miss Jo Niduna triumphed in the General Science category, while Miss Sajitra and Miss Haritha secured the top slot in the Chemistry category and won the Science and Chemistry Rolling Trophies of this edition of Cuban Quiz. The students were proactively motivated to prepare for and participate in the quiz by Sister Andon, the nodal officer of the quiz club. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.